Good morning!
Hello. Hello.
Yeah. Today is...
Wednesday.
Was it? Yeah, it's Wednesday. No classes still?
Yeah, but we have to search up on the website, remember?
Yeah, we'll do that later. But they are given activities, guys, by the school. So we'll be checking the school's website later. Yeah. They don't have classes, but then they need to do some activities.
Yeah.
Not that much, but then maybe just like an exercise activity for the children to keep up with.
There's like this sheet of paper, like, you know, you get to pick one. You get to pick an activity for each day. I like the yabbies.
Yeah, it's Jeremy there. They're having their breakfast, guys. So what are you having for breakfast, ate?
I'm eating cereal, like Crave ones.
Yeah.
Those are pillows, and I have pillows.
Oh wow! Are you
I've
almost
won.
done, Jeremy?
I've won.
Oh, you're done. Can you finish the milk as well? Yeah, we're just staying home, guys. Just like you there. We're staying home. Yeah. Staying home to be safe always, guys. How are you, everyone? How are you? Yeah, we will be. I'll try to see, guys, what we can do for today. So it's Wednesday.
Is that sunny?
Yeah, I think it will be sunny later on, Jeremy. You wanna go out? You're not allowed to go out. No, we're not allowed. You're allowed to go out, but just in front of the house. Okay? Yeah, meron kaming mga sampayan dyan sa likod. Hindi ako nag-dryer. Yes, guys, today is the third day of...
Hello!
Today is the third day of being at home, staying at home. Yeah, and my kids are just here. Now look at Jeremy. Look what he did to his toys again. See? He's messing it up again. Look, Jeremy. Jeremy is there down. Oh my, he's taking out all the toys. You need to put them back again, Jeremy, after. Yes, guys. I just let him do that, so you know he doesn't have classes today. And yeah, it's playing time for them. And after this, guys, maybe we will go out. So they can have fresh air. I will let them play outside. Yeah, so today, ano pala, guys? Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung yung laman ng refrigerator namin. Tingnan natin kung nag-imbak ba kami ng mga pagkain. Ano ito, guys, hindi ito scripted or hindi ito pinaghandaan. Naisip ko lang ito ngayon kasi wala akong, just a day in my life. I'm trying to check some of the, things needed if we still have stocks available. So at pag pag open ko sa refrigerator, meron na palang mga naubos na. So tingnan natin kung ano yung mga naubos, okay? So ano pala, guys, hindi ko ito in-arrange dahil lang sa video na ito. Ito talaga yung usual na arrangement ng refrigerator namin. Hindi ko ito nilinis para lang sa video na ito. Yeah, this is our usual arrangement, or ganito talaga yung refrigerator namin araw-araw, no? So, huwag niyo ko i-bash, guys. Ito talaga yung namin. Sige. Papakita ko na sa inyo. Yeah, ito yung namin, guys. Refrigerator namin. Built-in siya. Nasa loob siya ng cabinet na yan. Press. So, ito pala yung gawa ni Day sa school. Alam niyo, guys, mahilig si Day sa pusa, sa cat. Kaya yung yung leprechaun niya na ginawa sa school, tingnan nyo. Pusa. Leprechaun yan, guys. Yung St. Patrick's Day kahapon. Leprechaun ay pusa. So, yan, ito na, guys, i-open ko na yung refrigerator namin. Alright, there you are. So, ito talaga yung arrangement, guys. nasa taas yung ano, yung yogurt. Nag-grocery ako guys last Saturday. No. Last Friday pala. Last Friday. Dahil yun yung start ng nag-shutdown yung mga schools. Nag-grocery ako. Yeah. So, ito yung guys. Ito na lang yung yogurt na natira. Yogurt drink ni Jeremy na natira. Yun ako ditong breadcrumbs. Tapos, ito yogurt din ito. Walo ito guys, walo ito. Dalawa na lang yung natira. Tapos ito din. 2 sets yung binili ko. Tapos dalawa na lang yung, 4 na lang yung natira. Bali 8 sila. Tapos 4 na lang yung natira. Meron kami dito ano. So first, sa second layer is parmesan cheese para sa pasta or salad. Hindi pa siya na-open guys, itong cheese na to. Cheddar cheese. Ito yung cheese slices na nilalagay ko sa sa toast ng mga bata. Or, toasties. Tapos ito, yung favorite snacks nila, cheese strings. Favorite ito ni Rudy at ni Jeremy, guys. Kaya, may 2 pack dyan. Tapos ito din. Pudding. Meron ganito marami sa guys. Nili ko ito sa Asian store. Gusto yan ni favorite yan ni Rudy dahil sa nata de coco. We have here 1 pack of grapes and Jeremy's favorite blueberries, and we've got 2 packs of apples. Yeah, 2 packs guys. Mahilig ko na sana sa
blueberries.
Yung cheese guys, nilalagay ko sa toasties. Tapos ham, kasama yung ham, partner yung ham. Kaya lang, naubos na yung ham namin. So, isa yun sa mga naubos na yung ham. Wala ng ham. Wala na kaming ham. Pang ano pa naman yun, pang breakfast ni Rudy at ni Jeremy. Yeah, kung ayaw nila ng cereals, nag-toasties sila guys. So, yeah, meron dito, pudding, white pudding. Favorite din yan ni Rudy. So, usually lunch niya yan kinakain. Depende kung gusto niya. Tapos, sa susunod naman guys, nandito yung mga meat namin. Ano to guys ha? Taka kayo bakit hindi ko nilagay sa freezer. Kasi meron yung mga expiration date. So, meaning, pag nilalagay ko dito, lulutuin ko yan within the week. So, hindi pa yung aabot sa sa expiration date. O, tingnan nyo. March 19. Ano tayo ngayon? Today is 18. Today is 18. So, tomorrow, ko yan? Or mamayang hapon, lulutuin ko yan. So, ito din yung guys. Meron dito yung drumsticks. Look, expiration date. It's March 21. So, meron yung mga expiry date, guys. So, nilalagay ko dito. Meaning, lulutuin ko yan within the week. Or on the suggested date. So, yeah. At dito, guys, sa ibaba, ito. Tingnan nyo, guys. Ito yung mga namin. Pepper. Wala na. Naubusan na kami ng guys. Itong spring onion. Scallions, guys. Ito na lang natira. Tapos, wala na kami. Gumagamit kasi ako nito, guys. Lemongrass. Tapos, ginger. Meron pa kami maraming ginger. At lemon. Ito na lang yung natira. Isa na lang. Yeah. Guys. Tapos, yung ubos na talaga is yung gulay namin. Look. Wala na kaming. Ito na lang yung natira. Hindi ko sila tinatanggal sa plastic, guys. Para yung freshness nila. Kasi pag tinanggal ko sa plastic, sila, guys. Malalanta. So, isa na lang yung pepper namin. Tapos, marami pa ito. Wala lang guys, wala na kaming aubergine na yung talong. Your eggplant, no more broccoli. And what else? Some other stuff. Yeah, wala na kami guys. Yung gulay talaga, ham, naubos na. Kasi sa side na ito is yung egg. Guys. Ay, naku guys. 5 na lang yung itlog.
Eggnog.
Jam, okay pa yan.
Eggs. Egg!
meron kaming milk tube.
Milk,
Yeah.
milk. Ketchup,
Two bottles, gallons.
Ketchup.
And mayo. We have here Thousand Islands. The salad.
Some islands.
Yeah, that's all the guys.
Cheese
Kung
train.
hindi kami dito sa freezer guys, sa ibaba. Sa freezer is, yeah, we still have ice cream. Hindi ko sa pinapakain masyado ng ice cream ngayon. So, kaya nandyan pa yan.
Ice cream. Huh?
Nandyan pa yan. Dito din sa susunod guys. Meron akong shredded fish. Yeah, shredded fish. Ano na lang ito guys? Shredded fish po na. Ilagay mo lang sa oven guys. Tapos meron kami french fries. Tapos meron din kaming garlic bread. At sa last layer guys, dito ko nilalagay yung mga fish. Meron kami dito fish. Crumpet yung tawag na dito guys. Yung hindi ko pa niluluto ng mga yan ko nilalagay ng mga meat. Ito yung fish fillet. Yan. Plano ako guys kapag like every week. Meron talaga ako yung pinaplanong lutuin. Para na-prepare ko dito. Yan. So, yan lang guys. Ito lang yung namin, yung parang nag-ref tour ako, no? Yeah, parang na-ref tour. Pero tinitingnan ko lang talaga guys kung ano yung mga kulang namin ngayong week na ito. Hindi kami nag-hoarding guys ha. Hindi kami nag-hoarding. Ano ba ito? Hindi kami nag-hoarding guys. Tingnan nyo nga, naubos na. Ano lang talaga yung pinamili ko last Friday is yung namin within the week. Yung, ano ba yan? Consumption namin within the week. So, yeah. Pero, talaga ako ng egg. Meron talaga akong binili na extra guys. Ano yung binili kong extra? Kasi natakot kami na maubusan. Tingnan nyo ha. Ayan guys. Bumili kami ng extra sako ng bigas. Ito lang yung guys ha, yung pinaka malaking sako. Malaking size, pinaka malaki. Ano lang yan guys? Ilang kilo ba yan? Naman. Tingin ko mga 20 kilograms lang yan guys. Oh, diba? Rice is life! So, aside from that one guys, bigas lang yung inano ko. Make sure na meron talaga kami. Just in case, no? So, yeah. Yun lang guys. Maglalaro na kami ng mga bata. Wow, huli ka!
No, this is carrot.
What are you doing? He loves carrots, guys. So, yun. Ito yung hinihanda ko ingredient para sa lulutuin kong ulam ngayon. Tingnan mo anong ginawa.
Training.
Binutasan. Oh my, Jeremy. He loves carrots, guys. And that's enough, okay? Because I will be using this for our food. Yeah, we are here outside, guys. So I let the children play in front. Yeah. It's because we cannot go out or we cannot go to the park. And the parks are closed right now. So I just let them play here in front. At least they can have fresh air, right? Yes, there they are. Jeremy is in his go-kart, and today she is practicing her roller skate again. So yeah, another day of our lives, guys.
Germs?
Be careful. Be careful. Do you know how to drive your go-kart, Jeremy?
Yeah.
Are you sure? You wanna show it to us?
I can do this.
Yeah, you show it to us.
Okay.
Be careful then.
It broke. It broke.
Are you fixing it?
No.
Be careful.
Ooh, yeah.
Hey, wow, well done.
Hey, stop following me.
I'm not following you. I'm just looking at you. I'm minding you. Be careful.
I can do Charlie's. I better go to the oil. Gone. Oh, wow, my shoe. My shoe. My shoe. My shoe. Anyways. Whoa, catching the wobbles.
Just be careful, Drew.
Whoa.
So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified in our next video. And see you on our next one.